It is a rental home. Can we decorate our rental homes too, just like the owned ones? Of course we can. How? Well, you will find the answer here in this video. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life and welcome to Rental Radio episode 2. In this video, we are going to find our renter-friendly decor solutions despite of having do's and don'ts in a rental space. I am here to inspire you with those renter-friendly tips through this makeover video. Also, this video is in association with Urban Company. So, let's get started. Once we set our mind to decorate, overwhelming thoughts started. How to do it, where to start? I have a very simple solution to make it easier for you guys. Make a plan and follow the process. Don't let the rules hold our emotions back. Plenty of ways are there to upgrade and decorate a rental space to reflect who you are and make your home and life equally soothing. And here is what our process looks like. First, we will do some wall treatment as it's the main canvas of any house. Adding details like wallpaper, procuring furniture to keep our daily essentials, displaying decor to make the space more personal, adding some lights, soft furnishing, plants, and we will be done. See how simple it is? The beauty of a home is very much defined by how lovely and flawless the walls look. When you open the door, the very first thing that catches your attention is this wall. So it has all the potential to be a statement wall in this home. But here comes the real challenge. Can you see this big chunk of wall is missing? More on the list, the door trim has innumerable gaps, the walls are not smooth. I'm in real need of a good painter. It is a big challenge to find a painter for small jobs like this. Thankfully, I have a solution right here on my phone. I have booked a home painting service from Urban Company. I needed the patch repair and paint service. You can go through this list to find your wall painting needs. Urban Company guaranteed painter's visit within 24 hours even for a small painting job. I'm going with this sage color, such a lovely color to create a statement wall like this. Once we select the paint, our painter bhaiya will get the paints and required materials, such an effortless and hassle-free process. You can see how nicely he is packing and masking the adjacent area, the switchboards before painting. Already we put white cement to make the patch ready for him to repair. Then he filled the gaps, repaired the patch and covered the entire wall with putty. Sanding wall is an important step to even out all the flaws. Then he did the primer followed by the final painting. The best part is we don't have to do anything. Just sit back and relax. After painting, he took care of cleaning as well. This is the perfect example of small things make a big impact. Don't forget to use my coupon code Jaya10 to get 10% off on Urban Company app for any painting services. Adding details will bring a lot of depth in your space. I will be adding this blue wallpaper which is going to complement the sage green color nicely, and this wood trim which I got from a local shop and asked them to cut it according to the length of this wall. Let's take the vertical measurement from the floor, which is 42 inches, and I will be maintaining this height all along. Now I will paste the removable adhesive wallpaper first, measure, cut and apply. As simple as that. as this is a rental space, I am trying to avoid as many nails as I can. Fixing this trim with the help of an adhesive photo hanging strip will be a good idea. All links will be given in the description box below for your reference. Now let's face the real challenge of staying in a rental apartment. Here you can see our Pyara Sa Dulara Sa tube light, and as per my owner's request I cannot remove it from here. But worry not, it's all about finding the solution. So I have aligned the decor plan according to the position of the tube light here on the wall, taking exact measurement and spacing it out to divide the space into two zones. Again, I am using this beading to separate it. We will do the decoration on the left side, and the right side will be more of a utility section. We are not allowed to remove the existing light fixtures, but we can certainly add some floor lighting which does not require any permanent changes and no need to call an electrician as well. Make sure to add some warm white light bulbs. Lamps and lights, if used in the right spaces, can create a lovely ambience in your rental home, especially in the evenings. For more information on lamps and lights, you can refer to this video. The art you are displaying on your walls should not be just an art. I have quite a bit of experience here. When my husband's seniors visited our home for dinner, we talked about art for hours. So when you are choosing an art form, gain a little bit of knowledge about them. Whatever genre you love. It may be Indian folk art, abstract art, cinema posters, nature, scenery. The art should invoke a thought and can be a medium to the conversation starter with your guest. And this will be a true example of how your home represents you, isn't it? Let me know in the comments which art form defines you. Would love to hear from you guys. Camera tera. Investing in some freestanding storage cabinets can solve the storage issues in your rental homes. You can buy some second-hand furniture or a versatile bookshelf cum cabinet to make extra storage space. Unless your owner does not bother about a couple of nails on the wall, which you can fix with a putty and painting job before leaving, wall cabinets or shelves are really good to free up floor spaces for a small home. It totally depends on the options available and the owner's flexibility. When you are buying furniture, make sure you buy a renter-friendly furniture which will save space in a small apartment like this and serve you better in any home setup. Just like this dining table. I can fold the dining table and free up space when needed, and added these caster wheels to make it move like butter. These drawers are savior and added extra storage space to keep all the dining essentials like placemats, coasters. Do you need a review video on this table? Do let me know in the comments. I will share accordingly. Sometimes we might think about why to invest in beautification for rental homes. But believe me, investing a little amount gives you a sense of peace and calmness when you see the beautifully decorated space. So invest for your own comfort and to feel relaxed, or else it will always feels like chaos in rental space. Always have some cushions, rugs, curtains handy. No decor can be completed without them. A table cover to protect the surface, curtains to dress the door nicely, and an area rug, if you prefer, will definitely add warmth and uplift any home instantly. Less is more is the buzzword nowadays, but adding a few meaningful decors and having utility items handy in a neater way is more important to ease our life every day. I always love to display some decor or artifact in my home, but that's just me. when it comes to your home, decorate it the way you like it. कुछ कमी सी नहीं लग रही है? क्या मिसिंग हो सकता है? Oh, plants. No one can beat this cute little addition in any space. If the space does not get enough sunlight, direct or indirect, please do not keep your plants there. Eventually, they will die. Instead, you can have a faux plant or artificial plant if you wish. Plants add warmth and life to any space. Never think like a rental space. Rather, think of it like an abode where you are going to spend an important part of your life and nourish the home with lots of love, care. And by following this simple process which I have shared in this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and please share the video to support us. It will definitely motivate me to create more content like this. With that note, let me sign off. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.